guys, it's Erica, and right now I'm going to be potting up my plants that I recently received in the mail. My most urgent plant I need to pot right now is this ZZ Raven. The roots right now don't look to be doing so good, so I'm gonna pot it up and hopefully just let it recover for some time. This soil I previously used, it's just I think regular potting mix with perlite, but I'm just gonna add in cactus mix, Miracle Grow perlite. ZZ plants are very drought tolerant, so this should be fine. I'm just gonna put the little guy in here for now. I'm gonna put it in this white ceramic pot. I think it'll look good to have the black leaves in contrast with this white pot. I would rather pot it in terracotta, but for aesthetics, this is the way it's gonna go. So I have 3 rooted ZZs here. This one still has the bulb kind of intact, but its roots are kind of flimsy. This one, when I got it, the leaf was hanging off by thread and it fell off, and its roots are kind of flimsy too. The little bulb is deflated. These roots kind of look like worms, but it's okay. And then this one's bulb deflated, but it does have this root, and this is how all the roots should look. So I have faith in this stem specifically. It also has a little baby coming in, so I'm excited for that one to grow in. And I'm just gonna put them all together in here. When I got these plants, I just finished filming the unboxing of it, and I just needed to pot it right away because those roots do not look good. So I'm really hoping that it will be okay. I think it will. ZZ plants are very hardy. Okay, here's how it's looking so far. It looks really sad, but hopefully it'll perk up soon. I'm definitely gonna be careful watering it. I don't know if I should have cut off the roots. If you think I should have cut off some of the roots, let me know in the comments below, and I can definitely take it out, rinse it off, and do that, because I just want to do anything for this plant to be okay. Hopefully they'll just kind of revive as they sit here. I'm really worried about this plant, but because it would be so beautiful. Look at it, the contrast between the dark leaves in this white pot. Oh, little baby. I also don't know if I should bury it deeper, but for now this is what I have, and please just hope, fingers crossed for this little plant. Okay, and then my other plant that I have here is my Monstera Siltepecana. So here are its roots. These roots look good. They're very healthy. They're still white. So this plant will do just fine. Better look at the roots. I'm thinking this one looks fine. I can probably pot this one. But then this one here, the roots seem kind of small. I think they fell. I don't know if these were the roots, if I just pulled them off, which I might have done, but this one definitely needs to be placed in water and it needs to be rooted better. So I'm gonna do that with this one. Yeah, I'm gonna place this one in water and hopefully it will root some more, and I'll just put it in with my philodendron. I'm not gonna cut off this leaf. I'm just gonna let it kind of hang outside. So it looks a little crazy, but it'll be fine. It'll root because I don't want to take this leaf off. And then this one here, I think is good to be potted. So I'm gonna pot him. And I'm just gonna put him in this terracotta pot. And for this plant, I'm going to be using, I'm gonna kind of create a mixture here. I'm gonna use this Espoma potting mix. And I'm going to add, of course, perlite, some orchid bark, just for a good measure, not too much. There we go. So the only other Monstera that I own is a Monstera Deliciosa, and that one is extremely easy to care for. So I'm kind of treating this like a pothos or philodendron right now. I don't know if that's gonna be bad in the long run. When the other cutting gets big enough, I'm probably gonna pot them together. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. And also when it gets bigger, I'm probably gonna train it to a pole because I want it to grow up and I want the leaves to get really big. So this pot is also kind of really big for such a tiny plant with little roots, but I'm gonna be very, very careful not to overwater it. I think the soil mixture that I created right now will be well draining, and I'm gonna be keeping a close eye on this baby because this one's already suffering, and I don't want all my plants from this plant shop or plant haul to die. So I'm gonna be keeping a close eye on these two, and I'm gonna be very careful with them. I really love these plants. I think they're such beautiful plants, like a Raven ZZ. Come on. I think any like dark version of a plant is so beautiful. So I hope this one does well. I keep telling myself it's a ZZ plant, so it should do okay, but I don't know. I never had a ZZ plant that looked like this. This one looks so beautiful. It's so cute. And of course I have the other one that's gonna continue rooting in here, and when it's big enough it'll join its brother and they can be potted together. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every other day. Leave any recommendations on how to care for this plant specifically, but also if you have good tips for this one. I want to hear those too. It's my Raven ZZ, my Monstera Siltepecana, and yeah. Thanks so much for watching guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!